Day 13 was another sweet one, so I decided to get ahead. Looks like I've got some reserves. Woo! I'm set up, finally. Putting back some calories. Rolling.
Delicious sauerkraut and veggies here. We're making a little lunch, keeping in theme with the Bachfest that's debuting here in Cincinnati. We're gonna have some nice sauerkraut. We actually have some sausages and bratwurst going in. Putting this right in the station, just plain vegetables right in the tray, slide it in the tube, step back and let the sun do its trick.
Look at this. Only been in here for about 15-20 minutes. Looking beautiful as ever. Letting the sun do its job. Oh, and look at these. Patrick, can you smell those? Oh, shoot. Look at...
Hey, in go the cheesy potatoes for our group lunch today.
Cheesy potatoes. Thanks, Susie.
You're welcome. No fuel, just aroma. Hi. Some folks have asked us what's the best way to keep their grill oriented to the sun. Of course, you have the GoSun dial, taking the guesswork out of things. But I find sometimes on my front porch, I need a little rotational assistance, and that's where a lazy Susan, such as this wood board, would come in very handy.
C'est au Manhattan fast food Dakar, Sénégal, la grand-mère à l'hôpital Dantec, tout va bien.
Oh wow, this is whistling right now, like a teapot. This GoSun Sport is cranking. What do we got here? Oh wow, crispy fried veggie patty, falafel-like things. Snap, crackle, pop, folks. Cheesy fried, cheesy potatoes. I'm gonna leave that open just a hair so it can breathe and dehydrate a little bit better. Oh, some bratwurst, some golden crispy cheesy metwursts.
Le problème, où est la frontière entre les murs, se faufiler dans l'ascenseur, ascenseur pour le ghetto, au Manhattan fast food Dakar.
You can definitely scorch some food with the GoSun. These are gonna be nice, flavorful. You're gonna have a little crispy outside, but you know, who doesn't love a crispy dog?
Today's meal was a real treat, and everybody took part. Even the buzzards came by to do a little cleanup. Cooking on the GoSun on a sunny day like this, absolute piece of cake. Thanks to this sunny day, now I have reserves to take with me on my way. And the GoSun grill delivered just in time. A little cherry on top. Thanks, boss. Let's do it again tomorrow.